Hey, good morning. Welcome to today's morning meeting. I'm Greg Luther, the one guy that meets with you every single day to help you in growing your real estate business. And we got a cool topic today, how realtors get rich. I'm a little worried about my lighting here. Look at this, man. It is crazy how weird this looks. It almost looks like I've got a green screen behind me, doesn't it? It's crazy. This is really my kitchen. But I wanted to talk a little bit about how realtors can get rich in 2023. I'm getting ready, or I should say here shortly, I'm getting ready for a mastermind call where I'm a participant, and I'm very nervous about it because this is $100,000 mastermind. Every one of us had to put up 100 grand to be involved with this. So this is top notch people. And I'm really excited about where I'm going to go with my business. One of the things I need to do, get my lighting right. And I'm trying something new today and I don't really like it. This truly looks like a green screen behind me. I can promise you here, look, I can promise you that, oh, let me go this way where you can see it. This is really not a green screen. This is my kitchen. But anyway, as we get into 2023 and we start to look at our New Year's resolutions and what we want to do, what we want to build, my personal goal is not to make more money or do more stuff or be more focused or any of that stuff. My goal, which you can learn a lot from, is to help other people in getting what they want at a much higher level. So many of you know, I've been coaching realtors for over 24 years. I'll be able to say 25 years here come next year. But in 2023, my goal is to help more people in reaching what their goals are. So everything that I'm planning out right now is about my inner circle coaching members, how I give them more, do more for them, give them more resources. I'm doing lots of giving them templates and examples and stuff they can just start to copy themselves. And what I found is the more you help others to get what they want out of life, the more you get what you want in return. Zig Ziglar taught us that years ago when I was a little kid. So as a child, he said, the more you help others to get what they want, the more you'll get what you want in return. How does that apply for a real estate agent? Your sole focus needs to be, how can I do something for my clients, buyers, sellers, or both, that nobody else can do? Now, you're not allowed to say, I really care about customer service, I'm a good negotiator. You're not allowed to do any of that stuff. This is really about how can you help them to get access in ways they wouldn't otherwise, sell their home for more money, or to expose it to other people that normally wouldn't be looking at it. What can you do to provide something for your clients that they can't get elsewhere? How do you step your own game up? And by doing that, that's how you increase your income in 2023. So most generally, when we're thinking of our New Year's resolutions or what we're going to do or business changes that we want to make, we start thinking, I'm going to focus more. I'm going to really buckle down. I'm going to do more lead generation. I'm going to call my leads more often. We're thinking all these things that you're going to do to try and help you. I think if you throw that away, much like I've done, I don't need to make any more money. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about dying of COVID. Every time I hear myself cough, I'm like, oh my gosh, where have I been? But I'm totally fine. But what the hell was I saying before I made myself laugh? I tell myself jokes sometimes. That's how it works around here. You live by yourself. You just humor yourself. But your goal is to truly help others in reaching their goals. And by doing that, again, as I was starting to say, I don't need more money, but I do have a tremendous goal of trying to get 200 agents to retire as multimillionaires. We're ticking them off one at a time, but I'm trying to get to 200 of our members that retire as multimillionaires. So they're members of the GLMC club. So that is my sole focus, and everything I'm doing moving into 2023, I'm making some big changes. I'm not going to announce it here because I'm going to talk about it on my next coaching call. I'm making some big changes, including a lot of stuff I'm no longer offering. So there's going to be a lot of people that are like, Greg, I thought this is what we were doing. I'm changing what I'm doing moving forward because I want to try and make a huge, meaningful impact for those that are really serious about their business. So I want you to think about that yourself. As a real estate agent in 2023, how do you get rich? How do you build wealth for yourself? It's not going to come from you getting more focused on what you're doing. It's going to come from improving your offers and helping that prospect to get what they're looking for out of life. Much of that's going to come down to just getting your message out there. So you're going to see me doing a lot with going live. A lot of you know I go live on Facebook all the time. I'm going to try maybe this week going live on TikTok. Haven't done much with it. I got an awful lot of people that contact me on TikTok. A whole lot of them are beautiful women that then want me to cash app them, and it's a Vietnam location. But there's some good stuff on TikTok. I'm thinking about maybe going live there and actually coaching people live on the call. We'll see. I don't know. I might test it on Facebook first, but I got some ideas on giving more value for everyone. But my question for you, what are you going to do in 2023? Are you going to go live? Are you going to do videos? Are you going to run advertising that actually gives them helpful educational content rather than just your business card online? Are you doing something where they actually get to know you? They hear your voice. They know your personality. Or are you going to keep doing the same stuff you've been doing since 1983? So it's all about change. It's all about improving the quality of what you're doing, but more importantly, getting them to their desired goals. By the way, check this out. That's my new, what they call the way I went to the grocery today, and the way grocery works now. I'm sure you've heard inflation is up 10%, which means eggs that used to be $1.99 are not $1.99. They went up 10%, right? Actually, I took a picture of it here. They're not $1.99. They're $7.79. That's Biden, a dozen eggs. $7.79 a gallon, or for a dozen eggs. That's at a little grocery store here called, not a little, it's huge. It's called Meijer. It's like a Ohio version of a Walmart, basically. $7.79 a gallon. But anyway, that's what they now call personal watermelons. It's like maybe this big. It's a personal seedless watermelon. So that you only have to pay $6 for those. But anyway, I saw it in the background there. And again, this is not a green screen. It totally, look, as I move the lighting, I have a suntan and I look fake and my eyes look weird. You got to get your lighting right to do videos, but guess what? People are still watching. Doesn't matter. I got glares over here. I got all this stuff going on. Bills piled up over here. That's one of those one chip challenge, because I'm going to pay somebody at the barn to almost kill themselves to eat that thing. So this is real life, but it looks fake on here today. Anyway, 2023 can be a big year for you. It's only going to be a big year if you figure out, what can I do that other realtors can't do? What can I offer that others can't offer in my marketplace, so that people want to work with me? And then you got to actually get that message out there. You can't just offer it to the 3 people that contact you each month. You need to get it in front of thousands. Go live, do lots of video. I've got some training coming up on how to get good on video, how to get comfortable on video, what to do, what to say, how to write copy. I think you're going to love that as well. So anyway, feel like I'm rambling. I'm I haven't spent a lot of time on this morning meeting because I'm kind of nervous / excited about the mastermind that I'm involved in. This is our very first call today. So I'm going to try and bring the heat myself. And I know they're going to bring the heat too. Everybody in there put $100 grand up front. They're all doing well. So I'll be picking up a lot of good stuff from there that I give to you. Hopefully you're following this YouTube channel, because we do a morning meeting every day, and it's usually a little more succinct, a little more focused than this. But I didn't want to miss a day with you here. So think about what you're going to do in 2023. I'm going to give you a lot of examples. And for those of you that are Inner Circle coaching members, you are going to see a ton of new stuff that makes it very, very helpful for you moving forward. Gets you attracting more buyers and attracting more sellers. Go out there and hustle today. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you're following the page and ring the bell or turn on notifications. I think as you ring a bell, that'll notify you that I'm doing a morning meeting tomorrow morning. We'll see you. Bye-bye for now.